Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2020 Discovery Sport protected with a Halo Mini Immobiliser with a optional tracking system that allows for complete kill. So how it works, if a thief got the key, done a relay attack and went to steal your vehicle, it's just not going to start up without a push seeking. So we'll pop the code in, we get a flash and the vehicle's going to start. If you gave someone the code and you didn't want them to drive the vehicle, you can do a total lockout on this system. So if we go into the tracking system, say you've dropped it off, you don't want anyone to drive it, or someone's seen your code that you didn't want to, you go into the app, cut it off, they'll pop in their password. Once this has gone through and it's successful, marked successful, now system's not going to start. Whether they got your code or not, we're not going to get a flash, it's just not going to accept the code, and the vehicle's completely locked out. There's going to be no way to start it without going back into the app and recovering the vehicle. So if we just do that, pop in the customer's password, press OK. Once it's successful, it's going to accept the code. So now you see the vehicle's not going to start. We'll pop the code in, get our flash, and we can drive the vehicle. This is the Halo Mini with the optional Halo tracking system with remote total kill immobilisation. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.